Hey lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Can we just appreciate the hair? This is actually a week or so old, so don't judge me on the fuzzies, but can we appreciate this hair? It took me about 5 hours. I'll explain why. And then about 3 packs of hair. Yeah. So if you guys know me, if you followed me for a while, you know that I love my kinky twists. I do, I really do. But I've accepted that the hair that I use for the kinky twists dry my hair out like no other, and I wanted to try something else. I've always loved braiding, but I cannot braid to save my life. Like, I can like braid down, but I cannot add extensions to my hair. So you're just like, Noria, how the hell did you do your hair then? I am about to show you my trick, my cheat for braiding with extensions. And also I found since doing this, my hair has been the most moisturized it has been. So I'm gonna insert the clip here of how I actually braid my hair. Bear with me. I was doing this on my viewfinder, so your girl cannot see what she was doing. But essentially, you're just going to make sure your hair is really moisturized, put a 2-strand twist in your hair, and then using that 2-strand twist, braid in the fake hair. So starting at the root, I would wrap around, make sure the extensions are even on both sides, and then I would just normally braid how you would normally braid. I would wait till I would normally go about 2 to 3 times around, making sure my hair in the twist ends up in my right hand before I would separate the next braid to give me hair to combine all 3 parts. That's pretty much it. That has worked for me, especially someone who has really frizzy hair. I've tried to just braid into my hair and it always ends up knotted. I'm never close to the scalp, and it's just a bad experience overall. But one day I was just twisting my hair and I was like, you know what, I want braids, but I don't want to pay for them, but also I want braids. So I just sat there, I'm like, what if I just twist my hair and then did it in a braid? And the rest is history. I've been doing this every other week for about 3 months now, and when I tell you my hair is so moisturized when I take these out, because if you think about it, yes, up here my hair is exposed, but once you get like down to where you combine all the hair together, your twists, your hair is locked together and then it's in the braid. So if you're someone who has very dry hair, if you love braids, if you are trying to find some protective style that keeps your hair moisturized, this is for you. After a week, I'll have to like moisturize my scalp, and I'll show you guys how I do that in a different video. I moisturize my scalp, my actual hair in the braid, and then I leave it alone for another week, and then I'll actually go and wash my hair. And when I tell you this is the best combination for my hair, it's astounding. Do I miss my twists? Yes. Are these a little bit more time consuming? Yes, especially to take these out, because you guys know taking out braids takes a little longer, but chef's kiss. Yeah, I'm pretty much stuck with the style. I've already bought like several different colors. So I have the red, I think I have gray, and then I have like a honey color that you'll see in rotation. And then just because this hair, while it claims on Amazon that it can be sealed with hot water, it can't. I've tried, it comes undone, so I just lightly burn the ends, just enough to where it just kind of mends on the outside, so that way I can at least reuse this hair about 2 to 3 times. After the 3rd time, I would probably toss it just because it becomes time consuming. Like if you don't mind combing that out and then having to like detangle as you braid, you can definitely use the hair for longer. I just found 2 to 3 times is about when my patience levels go sky high, and I'm like, you know what, we just need new hair. But yeah, that's how I've been wearing my hair recently. I absolutely love it. Again, my hair is the healthiest it's been. My wash days have been pretty quick. I will say the longest part is sectioning off the hair, but that's normally just how it goes. But my wash days went from me just washing my hair for like 4 hours from detangling to being able to moisturize at the end to me pretty much being done with my hair in about 2.5 hours, and that's including detangling up to the point of me initially twisting my hair to put moisture in it, and then I will let that dry out and then go and apply these. So yay, that's pretty much it. It's how I've been cheating on my braids because your girl can't braid in extensions, so we made it work and I'm loving it. So hopefully this is helpful to any of you who want to braid, who are like me, who can't braid in extensions. Hopefully this twisting tip helped, and yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.